Hi, this is how to make a water fountain part. No. There's not going to be any parts. Just how to make a water fountain. Okay. Take a cup of water. Take a jug. Okay, hold on. Okay, and then you're going to take this top jug off, which I don't want to do because there's already water in it. Or Kool-Aid in it. No. Well, you can make it Kool-Aid or soda or water, anything fountain. Then you just pour it into the top. There's this little hole on it. Then you just screw it in there. You can get this at Chuck E. Cheese's for one of the prices. It's just what I got. And then what you do is you screw it onto this, put it up to your mouth. That's good water. Watch my next video and watch my past videos. Tell me what you want me to think of. Never mind. Okay. Tell me what you want. Okay, tell me what you want my next video to be. Post it on the comments, because I don't have one of those little things. So just post it on the comments what you want my next video to be. On this video's comments. Okay? Alright. See you next time. B-U-H-B-Y-E. Bye-bye.